Sir, how much important do you think are the clinicals for the NExT?
Well, the clinicals are important not only for the NExT, but also for the whole life. If you want to become a great clinician, then your clinic examination should be amazing.
Sir said absolutely right. Clinics are very, very important. What should I do to give clinics to the student? Nachiket, just listen. I think we should have something where a student can have complete access to something like a virtual medical college, where a student can learn how to take history, the important relevant points, what is the importance of each and every point in history, the general examination, the systemic examination, a virtual library of symptoms and signs, maybe some differential diagnosis, and something like practical labs. Can we have something like that?
Sir, we have already created everything that a student can ask for. It's called Clinical World, and we are going to launch it as a part of a recently introduced Advanced Plus pack. You can very well go ahead and subscribe to it because
Bhatia hai
to bharosa hai.